we are playing some battlelands Royale, and we are going to be going for an epic victory royale. So I'm just gonna go over here and grab this scard. This default skin trying to come kill me. Come on, kid. You're trash, kid. Gold? Free. I want a shotgun, bro. I don't like scars. I only like shotties. Hopefully it's a gold shotgun. Yes, bro. Let's go. Let's go. But the gold shotgun is the best gun in the game. I'll show you how. Like, this video is going to be called How the Gold Shotgun is the Best Gun in the Game, because this gun is so good. Most people don't know, but I do. See, bro, look at that. Kill him in 2 shots. Like, come on, cuh. That guy was low. If he would have stayed in that medkit, he might have killed me, but whatever. He had bad guns anyways. So, we're just going to keep going into zone. I'm going to stay over here by these 2 medkits. Hopefully somebody comes. There's supply drop. I'm not going to get it, but I'm probably going to take the heals. I'll take heals if there is some. Get beasted. Ew, minigun. Ew, minigun. Ew, minigun. This kid probably thinks he's slick and he's gonna come over here and take this minigun. Nah, B. Bro, I'm telling you, this shotgun is too good. 42. Can a regular gun hit for 42? I think not. Now, give me a medkit, and I will be a-okay. Okay, when I went over here, there's a medkit. Bet, bro! 4 kills, dude. I'm telling you, bro. Gold shotgun is the best gun in the game, bro. Do you really think I'd lie to you guys? Like, no joke. Bro, there's gonna be so many people in the bushes just camping. Bruh. And of course, zone is in where all the bushes are. I'm gonna get behind here, so I don't have to fight everybody. Yep, I see you. Okay, there's a guy. I know where one guy is. The other guy has to be down there. Yep, right there. Those 2 better fight. Don't fight me! Of course, he's gonna third party us. Yep. It doesn't even matter. Whatever. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.